So hello guys, welcome back to this another brand new video. So in this video I will share you something about Google Meet problem solve if it is not working. Okay guys, so what you have to do, this I will show you. At first you have to check your network connection, data connection. If your data is not on, your net gonna not work. Okay guys, I'm using hotspot, so you have to check your network connections. And guys, make sure that your network is totally fine. If your network is poor, then it's not gonna be work. Okay guys, to work something in your mobile, your network is the main process and is the main things that it should be done. Okay guys, if so after that, what you have to do, if it is giving problem, then make sure that you should delete your app once, and after that you should be download, and after that you should create all the accounts, means logins, and after that you have to go for switch off your mobiles, and after that it will work very soon. So guys, this is what I have show you now, and this is the process how you can make fun. And guys, thanks for watching this video, and please hit the like buttons and do a subscribe to these channels, and thanks for watching this video.